Good morning. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2026. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is a before/inspection video of Mach turtle. Alright, we got a lot of growth on the boat. I do see two zincs so far. One's on the rudder, the other one is a collar zinc. The collar zinc does look like it needs to be replaced. I will get the size and put that in the after video. If this is ablative paint, it's white paint. I'm going to try and clean up as much as possible to see if it's actual paint or not. And then I'll confirm that in the after video as well.